my yarnish friends, welcome to my cozy crochet corner. Today we're going to stitch a beautiful Halloween bat together. The materials I've used are Alize cotton gold yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. So grab your yarn, the favorite hook, and let's dive in. For the head, make a magic ring. Chain 2 and create half double crochet into the ring. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Continue doing half double crochet into the ring until you have 10 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Close the ring and insert the hook on top of the first half double crochet. At the beginning of the round, I had 2 chains. Skip the 2 chains and on top of the first half double crochet here, this is my first half double crochet, slip stitch. For a slip stitch, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, and pull this yarn through this loop on the hook. Round 1 is over. Round 2, chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch or a space right below this. Here you can see a small hole below this chain. For single crochet, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. This is a single crochet. 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, 2 half double crochet into next one, 1 and 2, and 2 half double crochet in each stitch by the end. For round 1, I had 10 half double crochet, and at the end of this round, I'm going to have 20 half double crochet. I have my 20 half double crochet. Now slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Skipping this single crochet, this is my first half double crochet, and slip stitch on top of this stitch. Round 3, chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, 1 half double crochet into next stitch, 2 half double crochet in next, 1 and 2, 1 half double crochet in next, and repeat this pattern. 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet into next, 1 half double crochet into next, and repeat it by the end, and at the end you will have 30 half double crochet. I have my 30 half double crochet, slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Now I'm going to create the ears. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the first chain, slip stitch into the second chain. Single crochet in next chain, and single crochet in next. Now come back to the circle and slip stitch into next one. This is the tiny ear. Slip stitch in next 5 stitches. And repeat this pattern for the ear. Chain 4, skip the first one, slip stitch into the second chain, single crochet in next, and single crochet in next chain, and slip stitch into next stitch on the circle. And this is the head. For the wing, make a slip knot. And chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first chain into the second chain, 1 single crochet. Half double crochet in next chain. Double crochet in next chain. For double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the next 2 loops. Half double crochet in next chain. And single crochet in last chain. This is round 1. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch. I have 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For round 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Skip the first chain into the second chain, slip stitch. This is my second chain, slip stitch. Half double crochet in next chain, slip stitch in next stitch. Here I'm having my stitch. It's like this. And repeat this pattern. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the second chain. Half double crochet into next chain. Going back to these stitches and slip stitch into next stitch. Once again, chain 3, slip stitch in second one, half double crochet in next, and slip stitch into next one. Now slip stitch into next stitch 2 and fasten off. And this is the wing. You can create one more in the similar way. Ribbon, create a magic ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. Repeat this pattern again. Chaining 2, 1, 2, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. Now close the ring, fasten off, with a bit longer tail. And roll it around. And this is the tiny ribbon. For the eye, I need a thinner yarn. And look here, my yarn is made of strands. It's made of 4 strands, as you can see. And I'm going to use 2 strands, cut for a few inches, and separate the 2 strands. And if your yarn is not made of strands, you can use just thinner yarn of any brand, it doesn't matter. I need a few inches of black color and few inches of white color. And also I'm going to use a smaller crochet hook, 1.5 millimeter crochet hook. So to begin, make a magic ring with black yarn, and chain 1 to fix the circle, and create 6 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first stitch. And this is my black part of eye. This is my pupil. Join the white yarn in any stitch, it doesn't matter which one. For example, here, join it and chain 1 single crochet in next stitch. It's a bit invisible because of the black yarn. 1 single crochet in next, 2 half double crochet in next, 1 and 2, 2 half double crochet in next, 1 and 2, 2 half double crochet in next one, 1 and 2. So I'm having 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 2 half double crochet. Single crochet in next one, and a slip stitch in next. And this is the eye. For the fang, make a slip knot and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip the first 2 chains from the hook, this one and this one, and slip stitch into last one. And this is a tiny fang. Thanks for stitching with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love so more yarn lovers can join us. Until next time, happy crocheting!